We hope to see you at the show. In case you can't make it, let's go on a little tour. Like always, we have our award-winning G4 stock stompers, and we have expanded lineup with these as well. For more information on those, give us a holler or check us out on the web. We have filter blasters. We have GVL poly corn snout. Tube liners for your bubble up augers as well as universal tube liners. We have poly retractable fingers. 5 fingers. Skid shoes for most brands. Check out some of our new product this year. We have MacDon cutter skid shoes as well as for the 2100 series. New Holland 82, 83, and 86C. We have Honeybee skid shoes. We have the all-new Kernel Keeper. Lessen your corn shatter with our Kernel Keeper. Bale skis. We have custom box snow pusher skid shoes, cutting edges. We have road divider shields. Check out this mini combine. Keep that combine in the shed. We have Seed Right seat plates. We have the new G2 Star closing wheel. Aco skid shoes, hay knife. We have wear shoes. We have polycup lighting. We have wear kits. We have trash aprons, clean outdoors, snoot boots, and much more. For more information, check out your local Mayos dealer. Check us out on the web, mayos.com, or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483. Well, I just got a brain for it. Have fun editing that one out of there, Nancy.